Hello friends, now we are watching about icmai-cat full details starting to end. Hey friends, you are watching our channel for the first time. Please subscribe. If you want icmai-cat link, kindly check this video's description box or copy this page link. This is icmai-cat portal. ICMA has launched a short-term course certificate in accounting technician CAT. This course has been introduced in consultation with Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government and CAT equipped students become well versed with the maintenance of accounts, preparations of tax returns, filings of returns under Companies Act, filing of returns under income tax, GST, Customs Act, export and import documentation, etc. CAT course is aligned with the qualification pack PSC Q8103 Accounts Assistance of PFSI Sectors Skill Council of India. BSc Q8103 means account assistance minimum accepted score is 80%. Assessors students who have passed appearing or 12th examination are eligible to take admissions in CAT course. Admission and coaching differ two types. A Potter's Institute has coaching centers all over India. The student desires of pursuing the course have to get admitted in their nearest regional council or chapter or ROCC, or B point is student can register directly with the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, CAT Directorate Delhi office. Next, we listen oral and postal differentiation. Oral means we study alone. Postal means study with the help of ICMA chapter. And second one, you can study with the help of ROCC developed by ICMA for CAT student only. I will show you the ROCC page now. Just click call get contact number. Now, how to check ROCC contact number? We see on our screen. You can go and click on it. Now you can see this three on our screen, and you can go and contact us and apply, or you self apply this application. You are under postal student. That means all the books will come to your home. Kindly scan below the mentioned record document before filling the admission form, application form. Okay. This course fees is 12,660 and exam fees and assessment fees will be charged. The extra course details along with the examination portal. CAT course part 1 syllabus is here and last date of admission is here. Mode of examination will multiple choice question based. For more updates, regularly browse institute website www.icmai.in and click CAT portal. CAT course part 2 syllabus is here. This is only assessment. You this is ICMA CAT Institute conduct this exam along with online. You can attend the exam in home. And next process is orientation 5 days program. This also conducted in your home along with online institution for internship 45 days training. Um, you go auditor office for 45 days training. Next, we watch about how to apply CAT. You just click online admission to CAT. Next, you see this page. Click apply online. Upload your passport size photo and fill your personal details like this. Next, and upload these documents and just choose this option and accept the terms and condition and upload your signature and submit. Next, you get payment page. Pay the course fee. Okay, if you want part 1 and part 2, exam date, updates, result date, etc., please subscribe. Our channel give related this information quickly. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Still, if you have any doubt, please comment. Bye bye. Thank you.